This video gives a general overview of 4 widely used welding methods, explaining how each process operates, where it is most effective, and its main advantages and disadvantages. The 4 popular welding processes. Stick welding, SMAW. This process uses a consumable electrode rod to generate an electric arc that melts the base metal. The flux coating on the rod creates a protective gas shield and leaves behind slag. It is affordable, portable, and commonly used for construction projects, heavy steel fabrication, and outdoor repair work. Flux Core Arc Welding, FCAW. Flux Core Welding works similarly to stick welding, but uses a continuously fed wire containing flux. The wire is supplied through a welding gun, making the process easier for beginners and allowing longer welds without frequently replacing electrodes. MIG Welding, GMAW. MIG Welding uses a continuous wire electrode combined with an external shielding gas to protect the weld. Since no flux is involved, the welds are cleaner and require less post-weld cleanup. It is one of the most popular welding methods because of its speed, efficiency, and versatility. TIG Welding, GTAW. TIG welding utilizes a non-consumable tungsten electrode along with a separate filler rod. This method offers exceptional precision and control, making it ideal for thin materials, stainless steel, and aluminum. However, it requires more skill and practice than the other processes. Important factors to consider. Multi-process welding machines, 9.43 to 11.27. The video also covers multi-process welders that can perform several welding methods in one machine. While these units offer flexibility and convenience, they may have certain limitations, particularly for advanced TIG welding features, and often require additional gas equipment that increases the overall setup cost.